Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You're starting immediately. Power off the Beats Fit Pro and set them on a soft surface so nothing slips. First, locate the silicone ear tip's thick base where it meets the nozzle. You want a firm grip. Pinch the base with thumb and forefinger, then pull straight outward. Don't twist or yank at an angle. Once done, inspect the nozzle for debris and the tip's retaining ring to confirm it detached cleanly. This prevents damage to the earbud stem and readies you for the swap. Now choose the correct tip size, small, medium, or large, based on comfort and seal. A better seal improves bass and noise isolation. Align the new silicone tip's internal hole with the earbud nozzle, then push straight on until you feel or hear a subtle click. That click confirms the retaining lip passed over the rim. Once it's on, rotate gently and tug lightly to verify it's seated. Make sure the tip sits flush and centered, because misalignment causes poor fit and sound. Finish by wearing the earbuds and playing an audio track to test the seal and comfort. You should notice fuller bass and less external noise. If a tip feels loose or falls off, remove it and try the next size or reseat it with a firmer push. For removal issues, wrap a paper towel around the tip to improve grip and pull straight. Avoid metal tools that can damage the nozzle. If problems persist, contact support. Continued force risks voiding the earbud's finish or function.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.